A temperature reading 75 degree Fahrenheit brought into the room. Brought where the temperature is 70 degree Fahrenheit. No? Asa na ba ako? 1 minute later, parang mali yung given. 18 pala to, given na 18. Baguhin ko lang. Ayan. Ayan. 1 minute later, the thermometer reading is 31 degree Fahrenheit. Determine the temperature reading as the function of time in particular. Okay na yan, kahit wag na yan. Find the temperature, kasi pwede nyo naman na masolve yan, yung formula na yan. Find the temperature reading 5 minutes after. So, dito pwede nyo naman lagyan nyo ng table. So, this is the time, the temperature, tapos yung temperature of the surroundings. No, pwede siya i-tabulate para mas madali siya ma-visualize. So, initial time, no, 0, at the time is 0. Ang temperature reading niya ay 18. And temperature of the surrounding, 70. 1 minute later, so 1, ano na daw yung thermometer reading? 31 degree Fahrenheit. So, hindi man mababago yan. Constant naman yan. So, this is 70. Determine the temperature reading and tapos nahanap yung 5. Nahanap na yan. So, again, formula. T is equal to Ts plus T minus Ts e raised to negative KT. So, sa una, di ba makukuha nyo tong KT? Ang una nyo makukuha dito ay yung constant of proportionality. So, the time temperature is 18 is equal to 70 plus 70 minus, joke lang, TO pala to, 18. Ay, hindi, derive na pala to kahit mag-start ka na dun sa 1, no? Kasi kapag zinero mo to, di ba magiging 0 to, yung time 0. O, tapos magiging 1 na to, di ba? 1 na lang, tapos 18, tapos 18 minus 70, 18 minus 70 equal. So, hindi mo nagagamitin yung 0. Okay na yan. So, gamitin na lang natin is yung first na time. So, T is equal to 31. Ito na yung gagamitin natin, yan. TS, 70 plus TO, 18 minus TS, 70 e raised to negative k, ang time natin ay 1. So, magkano yung k? Positive 0.28. Pwede nyo na start ulit ito sa A. So, magiging, ang equation natin is TS, 70 plus 18 minus 70 e raised to negative 0.2877 multiplied by t time t. So, ito yung equation. Pero, pwede nyo pa ito i-simplify, no? And then, inahanap natin is the temperature at 5 minutes. So, substitute mo lang yung 5. So, 70 plus 18 minus 70 e raised to negative 0.2877 times 5. Positive. Negative? Parang hindi. Kasi 52 lang ito eh. 57.5 666. Feeling ko mali ako ng type talaga kagabi. Okay, next. A thermometer reading 75 degree Fahrenheit is taken out where the temperature is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So, ibig sabihin, ang initial reading natin is 75. So, time, the temperature, and then the temperature of the surrounding. Capital TS ba yun? Okay, when the time is 0, ang temperature reading is 75 degree Fahrenheit. And then, ang temperature of surrounding is 20. The reading is 30 degree Fahrenheit 4 minutes later. So, this is 4 minutes. So, hindi man mababago yung temperature of the surrounding. Find the temperature reading 7 minutes. Okay, nahanap yun sa 7 minutes. So, wala to. So, yun pa rin naman yung temperature of the surrounding. After the thermometer was brought outside. And then B, the time taken for the reading to drop from 75 degrees to within the half of the air temperature. Ano yung half ng temperature? Ano sabi? The time taken for the reading to drop from 75 degree Fahrenheit to within a half degree of air temperature. Half degree. Ano yung half degree? 10? Ano ba yung half? Ano daw? Within the half degree of an air temperature. Ano ba yung air temperature? Ano yung air temperature? Hindi ko din alam. Sige, mamaya. Baka makuha natin yan mamaya. Solve natin muna. Skip muna natin yan. Solve muna natin yung sa 7 minutes. So, T is equal to TS plus TO minus TS e raised to negative KT. Naging 20.5. So, solve natin muna si K. Gamitin natin to. So, yung temperature niya is 30 is equal to TS 20 degree plus TO which is 75 minus 20 e raised to negative K. Ang time natin ay 4. Ay, lumipad. Magkano yung K? Talaga ba? So, dapat alam nila yung half degree. Within a half degree of air temperature. Half degree. 0.426. Store nyo na lang ulit sa A. So, para makuha natin yung temperature at 7 minutes. So, TS is 20 plus TO, 75 minus 20. 4262 multiplied by the time na 7. Search ko nga, ba ano yun? Half degree of the air temperature. Twenty-two point
7844.
Bakit naging 25 something? 20.5 yung ginamit niya. Half degree of the air temperature. With 20.25. When you... Wait, hindi ko gets yung half degree. Ginamit niya yung half degree. Time taken reading within the half degree of the air temperature. 75 divided by 2 minus 20. Hindi ko masagutan yun. Saan galing yung 20.5? The time taken for the reading to drop from 70 degrees